ex-Tesla engineer just shocked the entire EV industry with insane new battery. Hey, listen, the next generation new battery will be on the market soon. But why is this new battery needed for setup, and what would be the new features of this battery? It's quite interesting. Do you want to know? Hola friends, welcome to eMotion, our channel. In today's video, you'll get to know all the details about a mind-blowing battery with in-depth specifications, so without delay, let's watch the full video to know everything about it. A startup named SILA Nanotechnologies has taken things a step further by developing a battery in which nano-engineered silicon replaces graphite in the anode of the battery. The outcome is a more efficient battery and one of the most significant advances in battery chemistry in recent decades. Berdichevsky stated that SILA would use the new plant that was being constructed in the city of Moses Lake to manufacture silicon-based anode materials. These materials have the potential to store 20% more energy than conventional anodes that use graphite, the majority of which is sourced from China. As a part of the effort by the Biden administration to lessen the United States' reliance on China in the battery supply chain, graphite has been added to the United States important minerals list, while silicon has not. He stated that the new facility's yearly silicon-based anode manufacturing goal is to be adequate to power 10 gigawatt-hours of batteries in 100,000 electric vehicles, with the long-term objective of increasing the capacity to power 2 million electric vehicles annually. At its offices in Alameda, California, SILA operates a test production facility with the capacity to make battery materials for around 1,000 cars per year. Nevertheless, the company is now producing materials that are utilized in fitness watches. Berdichevsky stated that SILA was attempting to address the issues associated with scaling up manufacturing to suit the demands of automobile manufacturers. Since the 1990s debut of lithium cobalt-based batteries for the Sony Walkman, there has never been a more extraordinary major revolution in battery technology. The silicon anode-based battery is poised to be a game-changer in battery chemistry in a sector already crowded with breakthroughs and technological advances, where everything in the business is buzzing about how powerful this new battery is. In addition to lowering prices and providing a safer battery, this new technology will also boost energy density by 50%. Lithium-ion batteries developed by SILA have gone past the concept and inflammation stage. The wearable health and fitness tracker Whoop 4.0, powered by SILA, has been incorporated with it. However, the Whoop fitness tracker is an important step forward for SILA's sustainable and renewable energy plan, which has been working tirelessly to improve lithium-ion battery energy storage. Of course, the new battery will extend the operating range of small electronics, but don't ever discount the SILA battery's potential. The company isn't just interested in employing its chemistry in small devices. They're also looking at putting it in electric vehicle batteries. What is this new innovative battery? Surely we've all heard of a lithium-ion battery. Lithium ions move between the negative anode and cathode electrodes of a lithium-ion battery, just like any other rechargeable battery. Graphite is used as an anode in most lithium-ion batteries nowadays. Instead of graphite, SILA uses nanostructured silicon to carry up to 24 times as much lithium without swelling or deteriorating. Even while SILA is experimenting with improved battery chemistry, it's not the only one. A sodium-ion battery has been developed by Amperex Technology Company Limited, a Chinese battery manufacturer. The LITHIUM Group also has announced an even more remarkable light cell EV, which can even power an airplane with a 900 megawatt-hour kilogram density. There are also solid-state batteries that don't use liquid electrolytes, and SILA is concluding the year with an enormous bang with its revolutionary silicon-based lithium-ion battery. How long did it take them to achieve this? SILA Nanotechnologies have taken 10 years to generate silicon-based particles that can replace the graphite anode. Because of these changes, the battery cell can now hold a greater amount of lithium ions than previously possible. What gives SILA's battery a 20% increase in power and a 20% reduction in battery footprint is this. For Whoop's new battery, the business borrowed elements from its other sophisticated technology, resulting in a battery that reduced the size of their fitness tracker by a third while providing 5 full days of battery life. SILA's tremendous power pack can decarbonize freight and aviation by improving the energy density by 17%. Now, let's see how SILA came to be. In the battery industry, SILA nanotechnology is not a novelty. The organization has previously won 2 similar prizes in 2021 for overall leadership performance, where Jean Berdichevsky, the CEO of SILA, is one of the country's most diverse CEOs. It's Berdichevsky who's responsible for the SILA ideal. Even as a first-year student at Stanford, this guy was already designing and developing solar cars. J.B. Straubel, who has served as Tesla's chief technology officer for a significant portion of its existence, has provided some insight into the length of time he feels electric vehicle batteries should endure, which is approximately 15 years. This is extremely important for the new firm that Straubel is starting. The question, how long does the battery last, is consistently ranked among the most often asked about electric vehicles. And I'm not talking about the range in this particular instance. How long, in terms of both miles driven and years passed, does the battery pack in the electric vehicle typically last before it needs to be replaced? The fact of the matter is that we do not have a lot of data to answer this question simply due to the fact that this most current wave of electric vehicles is still relatively new, and the EVs from the previous generation are still being driven on the roads. Other than packs that were found to have faults, the majority of battery packs that have been changed were found in electric vehicles that had amassed an excessive number of miles. For instance, I once owned a Model X that had over 400,000 miles on it, and the battery in the vehicle needed to be replaced at approximately 325,000 miles. However, for the majority of electric vehicle owners who drive their vehicles in a regular manner, we need to estimate the lifespan of battery packs based on the degradation of the batteries, which is, for the most part, not very significant. The higher the timing would be, the better it is. Yeah, I know this second battery can be prepared and used efficiently, but the battery that remains well without getting disrupted is way better than other options. The better an electric vehicle's battery pack is, the longer it can keep going. Additionally, even defunct batteries might be useful as long-term storage in some cars. The battery pack of an electric vehicle, once depleted, retains a significant amount of value due to the presence of base metals in it, which is one of the primary advantages of EVs in comparison to gas-powered vehicles. At the company's Battery Day event in 2020, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced a plan to use the silicon-based anode in the company's new batteries. However, it's unclear whether or not the company is actually using the innovative technology. A request for comment was made to Tesla, but the company did not immediately respond. Overall, the new battery testing had the ability to change previous battery technology. The new technology would be more efficient and cheaper than previous options. This extreme experiment looks insane because it's quite out of logic and no one has ever tried such a crazy idea. But maybe it'll work. And that's all for today's video. I hope you've liked our efforts and the information given by us would be fruitful for you. Comment down below what you think about it. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.